Good morning, sir. Shri Shivaji Science College of Amravati, Department of Environment Science. Myself, Ritika Sanjay Lunde, Class BSc 3rd year, same 5th, Group CEB. Today I am going to start seminar on solid waste management. Solid waste management. Overview. Kinds of waste, waste generation, solid waste in India, solid waste management method. What is wastage? Waste is also known as rubbish, refuse, garbage, junk is unwanted or unless materials. In biology, waste is any kind of the many unwanted substance expelled from the living organism, metabolic waste such as urea and sweat. Kinds of waste. Solid waste. Waste in solid form such as domestic, commercial and industrial wastage. Example, plastic, bottle, corns, paper, scrap iron and other trash. Liquid wastage. Wastage in liquid form. Example, domestic washing, chemicals, oil waste from wastewater from ponds, manufacturing industries and other sources. Biodegradable can be degradable such as paper, wood, fruits, others. Non-biodegradables cannot be degraded such as plastic, bottles, old machines, cans, styrofoam containers and others. Hazardous waste, substance unsafe to use commercially, industrially, agriculturally or economically and have any of the other following properties: ignitability, corrosively, reactively and toxicity. Non-hazardous substances safe to use commercially, industrially, agriculturally or economically and do not have any of those properties mentioned above. These substances usually create disposal problem. Classification of wastage according to their origin and type. Municipal solid waste that include household garbage, rubbish, construction and packaging materials, threads, refuse, etc. are managed by any municipality. Biomedical wastage. Solid or liquid wastage including containers, products generated during diagnosis, treatment and research activity of medical science. Industrial wastage. Liquid and solid wastage that are generated by manufacturing and processing units of various industries like chemical, petroleum, coal, metal, gas, sanitary and paper, etc. Agriculture wastage. Wastage generated from farming activities. These substances are mostly biodegradable. Fishery wastage. Wastage generated due to the fishery activities. E-waste. Electronic wastage generated from any modern establishment. They may be described as a discarded electrical or electronic device. Some electronic scrap components such as CRTs, wires, circuits, mobile computer, etc. Here some pictures of solid sources of waste: household, industry, agriculture, fisheries. Structure of solid waste. Solid waste is also divided into two: reuse, trash. Trash is bulky waste like TV, refrigerators, goods, broker, furniture, etc. Reuse is also divided into two: garbage and rubbish. Rubbish is also divided into non-degradable like glass, rubber, metals, plastic and non-metal set. It is also divided into slowly degradable. Garbage is vegetables, meats, food waste and other. Solid waste in India. 7.2 tons of hazardous waste, 1 square meter of additional landfill area every year. Rupees 1,600 crore for untreatment and disposal of this wastage. In addition to this, industry discharge about 150 million tons of high volume low hazard waste every year, which is mostly dumped on open low lying land areas. Growth of solid waste in India. Waste is growing by leaps and bounds. In 1981-1991, population of Mumbai increased from 8.2 billion to 12.3 billion to during same period. Municipal solid waste has grown from 3,200 tons to 5,355 tons, an increase of 67%. City like Bangalore produces 2,000 tons of waste per annum. Waste collection is very low for all citizens. Health impact of solid waste. Exposure to hazardous waste can affect human health. Children being more vulnerable to this pollutant. Improperly operated incinerators plants cause air pollution, and improperly managed and designed landfills attract all types of insects that spread diseases. Direct handling of solid waste results in chronic diseases with the waste worker. First, landfill. It is the most traditional method of waste disposal. Waste is directly dumped into discus quarries, mining voids, and barrel pits. Disposed waste is compact and covered with soil. Gases generated by the decomposing waste material are often burned to generate power. It is generally used for the domestic waste. Second, incineration. Incineration is a waste treatment process that involves the combustion of solid waste at 1000 degrees Celsius. Waste material converted into ash, flue gases, and heat. The ash is mostly formed by the inorganic constitution of the waste and gases due to the organic waste. The heat generated by incinerators is used to generate electric power. The 3R's method, that is reuse, reduce, and recycle. First, reduce. You can help by the reducing. 1/3 of the garbage is packaging. Buy these things that are packages that can be recycled or are made of recycled material. When you buy something small, say no to thanks to bag. Reuse. Many things can be reused before you throw them out. Use coffee cans and cottage cheese containers for storage. Use bag of paper or bags of used envelope for jotting notes. Put leftovers in reusable containers instead using wraps foil. Recycle. Each year we use 25 billion plastic containers, 30 billion bottles and jars, 65 billion aluminum cans, 100 billion pounds of paper. Conclusion. It is found that with increase in the global population and the rising demand for food and other essentials, there has been a rise in the amount of waste being generated daily by each household. Waste that is not properly managed, especially etc. and other liquid and waste, solid waste from household and the community, are the serious health hazard and lead to the spread of infection diseases. Reference: Solid Waste Management, Mumbai 2000, Central Public Health and Environmental Engineering Organization, Government of India. Solid Waste Management of in Greater Bombay, September 2004. And here we put some link related to the environment issue. Hope you like it, my seminar. Thank you.